Lahat naman yung tumawa, huwag ka
Characterization pa rin.
I am naturally born the land that lies around the Southeast Asia Pacific. The land of rich resources, together with the islands of secrets. Philippines, the country with an enchanting, with outrageous views can be seen. The reason why Filipinos keep rising, and the reason why our heroes die for our nation. I am a Filipino in heart, in mind, and soul. Don't look at this new generation. The braveness flows in my veins. In my nationality, I will never be ashamed. Pride that's given dignity makes me a Filipino with quality. I am a Filipino wherever place I go. The spirit lives in me, makes me a true citizen of this country. We Filipinos, we are really worth fighting for. We value this precious country. We could keep smiling, even if there's a disastrous tragedy. We are all hardworking, make you the city or even the province. Religious persons report here, praising our God Almighty. Hospitality is everywhere, giving you comfort in very best way. When it comes to appearance, we Filipinos can stand out. Brown complexion, medium build, black hair, and when you see the dawn smile on Filipino's face, you will see the natural beauty hidden in this exquisite country. We Filipinos are generous more than anybody else. Can give you everything despite of hardships behind ourselves. Generosity lives up inside, truly present if there's a calamity that brings our countrymen down. We Filipinos are respectful persons. We preserve the culture of our ancestors like a precious gem of this new generation. We preserve what we've got and take care of it as we can see in our beautiful festivals. Creativity is beyond us, although pinaka. As living the culture, we preserve the elegant and colorful festivals that was most visited for its breathtaking beauty. I am today's Filipino. The power that given to me makes me more confident in life and full of challenges. God will never leave us. Just give to Him our faith. Never forget Him. Life must go on to us, Filipinos, even how tragic problems make us down.
Mali yung oras yun.
Smile, even in pain.
Mali ang
Because
oras
we
yun.
are Filipinos and naturally born.
Mali. Tumigil yan kanina.